Okay guys, on this video we'll be looking into channel settings. So once you click on channel settings, this is where you have to select your currency according to your preferred. So that's it about it. Select the currency. You can see this is Naira. You can decide to make use of Naira, you allow dollars. You can see channel. This is where you'll be selecting your country. Select your country, then this is where you put keywords relating to your channel. You can say I inserted happiness, making money, youth network, affecting life. You can type as many keywords as you like. This keyword is going to help you rank on YouTube. Whoever searches any of these keywords, your channel will likely show up depending on the ranking level. So next is advanced settings. You allow this. I want to review the settings for every video so that when you're uploading a video, you can do the settings for that video at time. So that is it about that. You can, okay, I think that's all you need to comprehend here. Every other thing you can read and adjust. So your feature eligibility, this is always activated. This is standard. It follows your channel as soon as it's created. Then this intermediate features, this is phone verification. You need to verify your phone number. So I will verify this. Click on it, you insert your phone number and they will send you a code which you verify it. Then this advanced feature, you must have uploaded your videos. Then you further into this other verification like video verification, valid ID, channel history. That is, once you click on these access features, you get to see them. And once you click on them, you will next and verify them. That is it about this channel settings. So you can see this upload default. You can leave it or you decide to put it so that you will not stress yourself creating them or putting information. But I advise you don't set this. You do it whenever you're uploading a video. So just leave it this way. You can see these advanced settings. These are captions, are title, descriptions. Leave this. You'll be doing that once you're uploading your videos. This permission is where you can invite people to have access to your YouTube. If it is a company channel, you can invite people to visit your channel and they get access to some of the permissions. This community, this is those people moderating your account. This is where the moderator works. You can paste the channel URL of a user to add as a moderator of this particular automated feature. So that is it about this agreement. There's nothing here to go about. So once you are done, you click on save and your information saved. So that is it about these settings on our YouTube studio. So the next thing I want you to consider here is, you can see this search icon. This is where you want to search for any video on your account. Then if you need help, this is where you are going to click help and you will be able to contact YouTube for any help. Okay, you can type anything you want. You can see change your name, get in touch with YouTube creators supporting, upload videos, verify YouTube. If you want anything from YouTube, you can browse all articles and know more about YouTube. So that is it. You can see if you want to create a new video, this is where you click create and you see upload live or go live. You can see this icon is the same as this one here. So it is all for you to select any of the ones you want to use. So if you want to stream, go live, this is where you go live, but there are policies regarding that. You can't just go live without meeting them. So this account, if you want to go to your channel, this is where you go to your channel. If you want to go to menu to visit, if you want to switch account, this is it. If you want to sign up your Gmail, this is it. If you have different accounts, you can switch. Different account linked to one Gmail, you can switch. If you want to switch your Gmail, you sign out. You can change your appearance here. You can send YouTube feedback. So that is it about these settings of it. So let's go to our channel. So this is our channel. This is how the channel looks like. You can see these are your subscriptions. You can explore more about YouTube here. is the home, this is library, your history, your videos, your watch later, and this is your playlist. These are the people you subscribe to, and this is your YouTube gaming. Then these settings, these are another settings for the main YouTube channel. You can see these are all settings you can go further into, giving little touch on. You can see notifications, you can set your notifications like your browser, you can set your playback or performance. You can see, you can go privacy. This is it about going with privacy. You can go with connected apps, you can connect some of your apps. Once you know about their usage, you can connect them. It's the billing and payment. This is when you want to make purchases with YouTube. So you can enable it and continue with the purchase verification. So you can see advanced settings. This is your user ID and this is your channel ID. User ID is different from channel ID. So just understand it. You can move your channel to a brand account, or you can delete the channel entirely. So you can see I gave us two different settings. It's setting from the, should I say, the studio, and the settings from the main account. So that is it about YouTube channel setting.